Our recipe for December is holiday giving soup. So first thing is I have to get everything together on my list. I need chicken broth, a can of tomatoes, a bag of green beans frozen, a bag of sliced frozen carrots, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, cooked chicken, cooked elbow pasta, Parmesan cheese, a big pot, and a spoon. Pot and spoon, check. Let's see what I have over here. I have already cooked my elbow pasta, ready to go, still hot. I have my cooked chicken, chopped up. Remember, if you're using a knife, ask an adult for help or have them do it. You can use rotisserie chicken that you can get from the store. You could even use canned chicken that's already cooked. You just want it to be cooked and chopped up. These are my diced tomatoes. My frozen veggies. I have my chicken stock. I have Italian seasoning. And I have my salt and pepper handy. Step 1. Put chicken breast in the pot. We're going to
put in pan. Put in pan.
We're going to put it in our pot. So it says we need 6 cups. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a big measuring cup and it goes all the way up to 4. So we're going to do 4 plus 2. Because 4 plus 2 also equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to open one of these. I'm going to pour it in until I get all the way up to the number 4. Now do it slowly so you don't splash. So I end up right up to the number 4. I'm going to put in my pot. Careful not to splash. Now do you remember how many more I said? We need 4 plus 2. So I have it to the number 2. I'm going to put in my pot. It says cook on low heat for 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn on my oven. Remember, you should probably ask an adult to do this for you. And it says put it on low heat. Good. I'm going to set my timer. 500. Start. Now we wait. I waited for 5 minutes and now my chicken broth is warm. So I'm going to go to the next step. I'm going to have to go to page 2. So if you have your recipe, you go to page 2. Step number 3. It says
put in tomatoes, green beans, carrots, and
chicken. And my seasoning. I also need
salt, pepper.
I'm going to put all those things in. Remember, you want to be careful not to splash. So I'm going to put in my chicken. I'm going to cut open. Going to open my containers. Got my vegetables, one. And another bag. Give it a little stir. Then I'm going to get my tomatoes. Put in 1 tablespoon. So that's going to be your biggest measuring spoon. I'm going to fill it up. Sprinkle it in. Then, so I needed 1 teaspoon of salt. A half teaspoon of pepper. So So this is a half, so I just need one of these. Give it a stir. To bring it to a boil. So we need to turn it up. Make it a little hotter. Need it to boil. Means it's gonna have bubbles.
Bubbles.
Yeah, it's gonna have bubbles pop up. So everything is in my pot. I gave it a stir. And now I need to wait. Oh, we have to wait for it to boil, then set our timer. Let's see if it's about to be ready. I should hear there's my timer. It says after we heat it for 15 minutes, put the elbow pasta in. So we're gonna put our noodles in. It says put it in until it's warm. Stir those in. It says cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer again. 2:00, start. And now we wait. It's been 2 to 3 minutes. So now it says we get to eat. So we're going to put our soup in a bowl. I'm gonna get some of the big spoon, put it in a bowl. Then it says to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Cheese. And look, our soup's all done.
Soup is hot. Be careful. Soup is hot, be careful.
Soup is hot, so be careful when you eat it. You might need to
wait. 3 minutes. 2. Wait 3 minutes to cool.
I need to wait 3 minutes for it to cool, and then you can eat your soup. And make sure your adult helps you turn off the oven, and then you can share your soup with your family. Normally I would share all of our soup and we would cook this together at school. But since I don't have everybody at school to eat my soup, I made it at home so I can share with my family. Otherwise, this will be a lot to eat all by myself at school. All right, I can't wait to hear if you guys make soup at home. If you do, send me a video or a picture and tell me if you like it, and make sure you fill out your recipe review. Bye.